Hey, it's Tyge and Christina from Demo to Reno.
We've been house flipping full-time for over 4 years now, but now finally it's our house that gets some attention.
We've teamed up with MasterStroke by Resene to transform some areas of our forever home.
And because we love entertaining, we are gonna get started in the dining room first.
So right now, as you can see, it's pretty beige and bland.
Yeah, it's got no style, it's got no oomph, and that's what we want to give it. So we are gonna head into our local Resene color shop and get the guidance we really need. Because we're only doing a half wall, I can go a little bit more busy, I feel, with the wallpaper. Yeah. That's as close to the Hamptons as I'm gonna get. I love it. Beautiful.
We're putting in wainscoting, so we got bare timber, as well as we're gonna be applying and putting in some wallpaper. I've never done it before, and I really need some help.
Yep, so for the wainscoting, I just need Resene quick dry. That will just help hold onto it, and then you can top coat straight over that.
Okay.
For the wallpaper, generally you'd want some size and also some paste to be able to stick it all on.
Right.
You'll also need some tools.
This used to feel like a room we just passed through on the way to the kitchen. Now this space is just waiting for some serious entertaining.
This room looks amazing, but it took a bit of work to get you. This room had a lot of varnished timber.
Which means a lot of sanding and a lot of prepping. Everything from the windowsills to the doors to the scotias, and it took actually quite a bit of time.
So my beautiful wife has an idea that we're gonna wainscot our whole house, and the dining room is no exception. So the process basically starts with getting some raw timber, cutting 45-degree angles and gluing it on with an adhesive, basically creating picture frames on the walls, and guess what? More timber to prime.
To prime the wainscoting, we use Resene Quick Dry. On all the other varnished surfaces, we use Resene Waterborne Shore Seal.
For the ceiling, we use Resene Space Coat Flat in the color Resene Quarter Black White.
We chose this color because it's a really bright, fresh white. It's perfect for the ceiling because it makes the room feel big and spacious.
For the wainscoting, we use Resene Space Coat Low Sheen in the color Resene Black White.
To finish off all the painting, we used Resene Luster Curl Semi-Gloss in the color Resene Black White on the trim, and it gave us that finished look we really were after. Choosing the wallpaper in this store was one thing, but seeing the wallpaper in its fullness, oh my goodness, I love it so much.
I'm not gonna lie, wallpapering is definitely an art form, but we got some really good advice. We followed all the steps, and hey, we wallpapered a whole room.
It turned out amazing. It gave us that statement we were really after, and there we go. Dining room done.